Connectid Mail, you can send data or request it safely from any individual at any email address, regardless of whether that person uses Connectid Mail or not. Let's go to the recipient's inbox to see what that request might look like. And this is a request from HR or from an accounting department to a new employee. When they open your request, they'll see an overview of the bank information you requested, and they can click Enter Data to retrieve a one-time password. And they'll enter that password and be able to fill in the form you've created. And they'll be prompted to give consent before sharing their personal data with you. And this is important because not only do data protection regulations require you to log consent before collecting employees' personal data, it also builds trust between your company and new employees, and it strengthens your brand as an employer when new and potential team members see that their bank information, criminal record, medical information, and other sensitive data is being handled properly.